welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mari, also known as Soul Style Beauty, and today I am representing my girl Monica Style Muse. Absolutely love her, but the video today is actually going to be on the JUVIA'S Face, the Festival palette, and honestly I don't know what look I'm going to be doing today, but I cannot wait to try out this palette because just look at it. It looks so good, and I feel like these colors are like crazy saturated. And they feel so creamy, and I mean it's super hard to find palettes that will show up on women of color. So I'm so happy about this brand. I'm so happy to dig into this palette and to create a look, even though I don't know what look I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, we're gonna get into this today. So if you're here for it, definitely stay. If you're not subscribed, what is going on? So definitely take a second to subscribe down below. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you know exactly when I post a video. Let's get this video started. So I don't know what look I'm gonna do. Let me see. I know I definitely want to play with this red. Maybe I should do that. So I want to start out with this color here, and I'm just going to place it in my crease. And this is just going to act as my transition color. So I want to make sure that's blended out. So I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush and just fan that out, blend it out. Let's see. Then I think I'm going to go in with this red. Or actually, you know what? Let me go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to take that in my outer V. Ooh, this is so saturated. Oh my goodness. Nice. So I'm just going to pick up my transition color now, just to blend that out. Next, I'm going in with this red color. I'm going to take this beautiful red. I know I definitely want to play around with this. Let's see how well. Ooh, so saturated. Wow. And the thing that amazes me is that I didn't go in with any type of like concealer to pop the color, and it looks amazing. So I'm going to just go back in with this color here, just in the outer V, because I don't want to lose that. And I'm also going to go back in with my transition color so I don't lose that as well. Then I know I want to take either the gold or silver and put it in like the middle of my lid. Let's see. Maybe I'll do the silver. Let's see. Like a silver, and I'm going to blend it with that red. I did get a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to clean that up and put some concealer under my eye. I am going to put some eyeliner on my waterline. Next, I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take this red and then also drag it under my lid and connecting that to the top. So I'm gonna go with these these lashes from Viso Free store. These are like quote unquote like mink lashes in the style D17. So I'll leave them down below. I definitely have a video on these lashes, so I'm gonna put on these lashes and come back on camera. They are a bit dramatic, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm going to go in with my highlighter. Actually, let me contour first. I'm going to contour first. Like I said, this is not an everyday look, so I don't want you guys to be like, oh my gosh, this is extra, this is so not for every day. I like to switch it up and do something that's dramatic, even though, you know, it's not for every day. Look, it is, like I said, dark. It's like a, and like with me with this sweatshirt on, it's like, Mari, like where are you going? And I'm not, this is just, I wanted to film a video for the JUVIA'S Place palette. I'm going to use my highlight. This is the Artist Couture Jackie Aina highlighter in La Peach. This highlighter is everything. Everything. Now for the lippy. Just because the eye look is very, very dramatic, I am going to actually go in with a nude lippy, of course. So I'm not going to use my favorite, which is NYX Abu Dhabi, but I am going to use my chestnut lip liner, which is Bay. It's hard for me to give this up. I really like this. And then I'm going to go in with Posh by Vera Bradley. And I'm telling you, I went to an event at the Google office and she was one of the vendors. Black owned makeup company. I topped this off with a Jouer lip gloss in the shade PCH. So yeah, this is the look. I'm going to fix my hair real quick. But this is very dramatic. I think the lashes are making it, like, maybe if I was to really wear this, I would definitely take off the lashes because it's just too much for me. So guys, this is the finished look. But before we go, I definitely want to swatch the rest of these colors. I'm gonna do swatches so you guys can see the colors. It's the color payoff is amazing. You don't need much. It's just literally like one swipe and you're good. Ooh, this gold is pretty too. But just so you guys can see the swatches, they are so pretty. I know that some blended because I mean I only have 5 hands to swatch from, but this is exactly how it looks. Isn't that so pretty? The color payoff is just amazing. Whoa, whoa. This is a very dramatic look, but you can do anything with this palette. I think like the colors are so like playful, so you could do anything dramatic to like very colorful and fun. But I just wanted to do the dramatic route because my last video was like more of the springy, colorful, like sunset type look, and now I want to do something a little bit more dramatic. So I hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.